Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic, the amazing health benefits of drinking lemon water every day. Have you ever wondered if those slices of lemon in your water bottle do more than just provide a tangy taste? Well, stay tuned to find out. First off, what exactly is lemon water? Well, it's as straightforward as it sounds. It's water infused with the zesty goodness of lemons. Lemons have been used for their medicinal properties for centuries, and one of the simplest ways to tap into their benefits is by adding them to your daily water intake. Drinking lemon water is more beneficial than you may realize. For instance, it's a great way to kickstart your digestive system every morning. It helps to balance pH levels in the body and flush out toxins. Moreover, lemon water aids in staying hydrated, crucial for every function of our bodies. Don't forget that lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for boosting our immune system and even has a role in brightening our skin. The antioxidants in lemons help combat skin damage and promote overall skin health. And this isn't just hearsay. Multiple scientific studies back these claims. For example, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that antioxidants from lemons can significantly suppress weight gain and fat accumulation. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that staying hydrated, which can be aided by consuming lemon water, can boost mood and cognitive function. However, as with everything, moderation is key. Overconsumption of lemon water might lead to heartburn or exacerbate existing ulcers because of its acidity. People with citrus allergies should definitely steer clear. It's always important to listen to your body and adjust your lemon water intake accordingly. Despite these considerations, many people find the benefits of drinking lemon water daily outweigh the potential downsides. So there you have it, the ins and outs of drinking lemon water daily. Try it for yourself and see how a simple habit can make a big difference in your health and well-being. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting health content. Until next time, stay healthy and hydrated.